Hello, this video is on call protection and brought to you by Nelson Systems Incorporated. I'll be using an Eventide Nextlog DX model recorder with software version 2024.1. To protect a file on the system, locate a recording. Right-click on a recording, and from the menu you have the option to protect. So if we clicked on that, you can see now with the check mark it is protected. To unprotect the recording, left click again, and that will remove the protected status. You can also go to Properties and All, and if you scroll down a little bit you'll have the protected field, which you can then check or uncheck the protected box to either protect or unprotect the recording. You can also right click on a column header and scroll down to the protected field and add that and see if a call is protected from your results list as well. A reason for protecting a call would be to keep it from being deleted from the system. These systems by default will fill up the hard drives with recordings. Once the drives are full, it will overwrite the oldest recording with the newest recording, and having the call protected will prevent it from being cleaned off of the system at that point. Or some customers may have a retention policy set up that calls are only kept for X amount of days. If a recording is protected, it will ignore the retention policy and stay on the system indefinitely until unprotected, at which time it will then follow the standard retention policies of the system. Or if it is then the oldest recording, it will get overwritten when the newest recording comes in if the allotted space for recordings is full. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.